Okay, welcome to another video by the Yorkshire Maths Tutor. Don't forget to like and subscribe and lock it in for your higher GCSE with the Yorkshire Maths Tutor. Let's get started then. So we've got this algebraic fractions here to solve. We could start by doing a common denominator, but I think it's best to get rid of these fractions by multiplying them by 2x minus 1 and multiplying by x minus 1. So let's have a go. So we're going to times by both at the same time. So this fraction, we're going to times by 2x minus 1 and x minus 1, and that will just leave me with x minus 1. And the 2x minus 1 will cancel each other out. And this fraction then, that's going to be 3 2x minus 1. And once you get good at it, you can realise that's just going up there and that's just going up there. Okay? What's that equal to? Well, it's 1 times this times this. So we've just got 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. And there we go. Great start. Now we're going to tidy this up a little bit. So I've got x minus 1. Let's expand these brackets. 3 times 2, that's 6x. 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3. And on this side, I'm going to expand the bracket. So I've got 2x squared minus 2x minus x plus 1. Lovely. Okay. Now, keep simplifying. So that is 7x. And that is minus 4. And on this side, that's minus 3x. So I've got 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Lovely. Next, I'm going to make it equal to 0 and solve this quadratic. So add 4 is 5 and take away 7x will be minus 10x. So I've got 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 10x plus 5. Lovely. Now we've got it down to solving a quadratic equation. So it says in the question, give your answer in the form p plus or minus the square root of q over 2. Now, the two options to solve this one then, it's not going to factorise if we're going to leave our answer like this. We're either going to complete the square or use the formula. So I'm going to use the formula. So the formula then, it's minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that's on our formula sheet. And that's x equals. Lovely. So a, that's 2. B, that's minus 10. And C, that's 5. So let's put our numbers in. So we've got minus 10, that's 10. Plus or minus the square root, 10 squared, that's 100. Minus 4 times 2 times 5. And that's all over 2a. 2 times 2, that's 4. Lovely, we're nearly there now. So 100, take away 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So we've got 60. So I've got 10 plus or minus the square root of 60, all divided by 4. And that's where a lot of people would stop there, but we can simplify that a little bit. So root 60 is 4 times 15 is 60, and 4 is a square number, so it's root 4 times root 15. We've still got our 10 and plus and minus, and we've still got 4. Now, root 4 is 2, so I've got 10 plus or minus 2 root 15 all over 4. Very final step then. So we can divide this by 2, this by 2 and this by 2, giving me my final answer of 5 plus or minus root 15 over 2. And there we go. Full marks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lock it in with the Yorkshire Maths Tutor.